Okay, here I am down at the Scottsdale Civic Center Mall today on Sunday, January 21st, 2024. We have an auto show going on down here in the Civic Center today. This is a bunch of classic cars owned by private owners that are down here showing off their cars in sort of a contest. Sort of an auxiliary thing to the Barrett-Jackson main show, which is up north of here. And this is just private owners. They show off the cars they own. They've been brought in from all over the United States. And fortunately, it turned out to be a little bit drizzly, rainy today, so it's putting a little bit of damper on things here. But they do have some really nice cars down here. Scattered across the complex. A lot of people out here in spite of the drizzling rainy weather. So, just shooting a little bit of this. I'll probably post it, I think, just as an example of what events are held down here at the Civic Center. I think the initial pre-purchase ticket price was $100, and then if you get your ticket at the gate, it's a little bit more than that. I don't remember exactly, but it's more than the $100 initial pre-purchase or pre-event purchase. Let me pause this. I'm going to try to change over to my telephoto lens here. Alrighty. Right, here I am filming with my telephoto lens to give a little more intimate view of the event down below me here. I'm using the Blackmagic Cam App today. It's become my preferred app, I think. So, just get a flavor of what's going on here. I don't know if they'll be able to shoot much more. This will probably just be a very short shoot today, but we'll see if anything later on I can attempt to shoot. See some of the cars that are down here. I think they have a James Bond Aston Martin DB7 or something out here, I believe, is one of the cars. Saw a picture of a real nice Rolls Royce and some other really high-end, expensive, privately owned automobiles down here. So, this is what we got going on today. Just an example of what events the Civic Center puts on across time, especially with the newly renovated area here. Attracts a lot of people, has a lot better access for different kinds of events. So, too bad they didn't get a nice sunny day, but January in Arizona can be pretty variable weather-wise. So I think I'll cut this short here, and maybe I'll catch some other stuff later on here. We'll see.
Good afternoon here in Scottsdale, Arizona, as we keep rolling through the morning here now, early afternoon for the 6th annual Arizona Concours here at the Scottsdale Arts Civic Center. If you are one of our honored guests or honored judges, if you could make your way to the East Stage, that is located by the Cadillac display. We're going to start adding some entertainment to the show today with some conversations with our special dignitaries and attendees on site. Right now, we've been talking all morning about Make-A-Wish, that is the charity of the event this year. We celebrated them last night as well at the Arizona Concours Gala. I'm joined by Jim Mullen with Make-A-Wish. And Jim, now at the Concours, you guys have been walking around all morning, but tell us just your early thoughts about the event that you've seen today.
Well, this is a beautiful event. I'm a car guy, so I want everyone. I was really glad to see the Cadillac Eldorado's priced at $13,009. So I've got my checkbook out. We'll pick that up on the way out.
Jim, when you guys made the partnership with the Arizona Concours, Chuck and Ed gave us a little bit of the story last night of why it was important to them and the history with the charity. How did that conversation go from your side?
I think, you know, they're really remarkable.
Alrighty, I think I'll cut this short here. They're just making some announcements down
And
there.
all of its roots are
So I'll
here.
cut this short.
The magic that happened on the very first wish given in 1980. It all started right here in Arizona, so it's a natural fit with these beautiful cars and all of the activities that we do in a year. It's just hand in glove.
There's a little bit of bonus footage down here in Brown and Main in Old Town, just at the west end of the Civic Center Mall area. Little rain going. Gentleman's down here doing his clown juggling act. Got a bubble machine going, so it's one of the many things you'll see down in the Old Town area here, down at Brown and Main. We get more into the high tourist season here. We get this. Yeah, don't see clowns down here very much. But yeah, we got this going on, and as we get into March, we'll bring into spring training. And car show is back down this way. Back down into the interior of the mall areas. There is the car show that I was filming prior to this. So we got a nice rainy day going here. And back around this way. Finish off with the clown down here. Shot down Main Street here by the banyan tree. Down at Brown and Main in Scottsdale, Arizona, Old Town. Alrighty, just taking a chance to add a little bit of stuff here.